Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, where you can expect to find the headlights fuse. By the way, we have a special video why a headlight doesn't work. That could be really specific to Dodge only problem, guys, so check it out, it will be on our channel. What we need to do, open the hood, and here on the driver's side, you see that cover in front of the car battery, it has two notches, one here, one there. Go ahead guys, push them, it opens. On the inside you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. For the headlights, which fuse you need to check. Now, by the way, if you had a bad headlight bulb, if you had a bad fuse and you're replacing it, still doesn't work, don't freak out. I mean, there is a fix to that, and we have the video on our YouTube channel, check it out. That fuse is part of the body control module fuse, guys. It has multiple functions. One of them is for the headlights. Where that fuse is located, okay, I'm talking about fuse number 10, right here. This fuse, guys, you will need to check for headlights. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.